In this video, we will be discussing question number 15 of GATE 2021 Chemistry. The question is, a phase diagram of CO2 is shown below and the correct statements about CO2 we need to find out. Four options are given. One is, or A is, below Tc, it does not exist in liquid state. B is, above Tc, it does not exist in liquid state. C is, at Tc, it can exist in all three phases. And D is, above T1, it does not exist in solid state. A phase diagram is a graphical representation of the physical states of a substance under different conditions of temperature and pressure. As we cross the lines or curves on the phase diagram, a phase change occurs. In addition, two states of the substances exist in equilibrium on the lines or curves. Triple point. A triple point is the point on a phase diagram at which three states of matter, gas, liquid and solid, coexist. Here, the triple point is represented by Tc. And the next is critical point. It is a point on the phase diagram at which the substance is indistinguishable between liquid and gaseous states. And the third is fusion curve, a curve on a phase diagram which represents the transition between liquid and solid state, this particular curve. And the next is vaporization curve, the curve on a phase diagram which represents the transition between gaseous and liquid state, this particular curve. And the third is, and the last is sublimation curve, the curve on a phase diagram which represents the transition between gaseous and solid state. So let's look into our question. A phase diagram is given where the triple point is represented as Tc, and the first option is below Tc, it does not exist in liquid state. So let's just extrapolate Tc to the x-axis. So Tc would be around here on the x-axis, and the temperature is increasing in this direction. Below Tc, it does not exist in liquid state. Even if we are increasing the pressure below Tc, we can see that there is only solid state and also part of gaseous state. So the first option is correct. And the second option is above Tc, it does not exist in liquid state. So the Tc is here, and above it there is gas phase, and also if we are increasing the pressure, there is liquid phase. So above Tc, it does exist in liquid state. Hence the option B is wrong, and the option C is at Tc, it can exist in all three phases, which is correct. This is Tc, and at Tc, there is solid phase, liquid phase as well as gaseous phase. So option C is correct, and option D is above T1, it does not exist in solid state. T1 is this particular temperature. If we are extrapolating T1 to the other axis, we will get a line almost like this, and the option is above T1. Above T1, it does not exist in solid state. But as you can see, this much area is solid state only. Hence, this option is wrong. So, now we have two options as correct answers. For further details regarding phase diagram, you can access NPTEL video where the link is given here, and the class is handled by Dr. Arjit Kumar De, Phase Equilibrium Part for Introduction to Chemical Thermodynamics and Kinetics. Thank you.